Good morning again. In this video, we will do next question. This is question number 10. This is based on past adjustment. Okay. Three partners A, B and C were equal partners in a firm. Their capitals on 1st January 2016 were 50, 40 and 30,000 respectively. After closing the accounts of the year 2016, it was found that according to the partnership agreement, interest at 10% per annum on partnership capitals and salary 3,000 per year to A and a commission of 6,000 to C were not provided before distribution of profits. हमने प्रॉफिट डिस्ट्रीब्यूट किया, उसके पहले बिफोर हमें ये देना था 10% इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल तीनों पार्टनर्स को, सैलरी ए को देनी थी और रेमुनरेशन कमीशन सी को देना था. वो हम सब भूल गए, ओमिटेड हो गया. देन इट वॉज एग्रीड अमंग द पार्टनर्स टू मेक द एडजस्टमेंट एंट्री एट द बिगिनिंग ऑफ द नेक्स्ट ईयर रादर देन टू अल्टर द बैलेंस शीट. पास वन जनरल एंट्री इन द बुक्स ऑफ द फर्म शोइंग द वर्किंग ऑफ एडजस्टमेंट. ओके, ओनली आपको एक सिंगल एडजस्टमेंट एंट्री देनी है इस सारी मिस्टेक को सही करते हुए. फर्स्ट, देन हमने जो नहीं दिया, हम जो देना भूल गए हैं वो हम अब दे देते हैं. ओके, देन इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल 50, 40 एंड 30. देन interest on capital A, B, C 50, 40 and 30 into 10%, 5,000, 4,000 and 3,000. Then we will give interest on capital to the partners. Interest on capital. If partners get interest on capital, then partners capital account will be credited. Okay, then 5,000 से A account credit, from 4,000 B's account credit, from 3,000 C's account credit. This is the double entry system. Then partners account credited, then who should be debited? Debit firm, because firm will give the interest on capital to the partners. 5 plus 4 9, 9 plus 3 12. Then firm is debited with 12,000. Clear? Next point जो हम भूल गए, सैलरी 3,000 per year to A and commission of 6,000 to C. First, salary A. A's salary is equals to 3,000. So A's account will be credited and firm debited with 3,000. Then commission to C with 6,000. Given in the question C, so C's account credited with 6,000. And firm also debit with 6,000. Then adjustment complete. ये तीन एडजस्टमेंट हम भूल गए थे जो हमने अब कर दिए. Then after that we will come to the firm point. Firm डेबिट हो रही है 12 plus 3 15, 15 plus 6 21,000. 21,000 फर्म क्या हो रही है? डेबिट. तो फर्म के अकाउंट को हमें इक्वल तो करना ही है. इक्वल करने के लिए फर्म को हम क्या करेंगे? 21,000 से क्या करेंगे? क्रेडिट. 21,000 टोटल. देन 21,000 से फर्म ऑल्सो क्रेडिट. फर्म को क्या हुआ है? लॉस. फर्म डेबिट है 21,000 से, इट मीन्स फर्म अर्न लॉस एंड लॉसेज आर डिवाइडेड इनटू द पार्टनर्स इन देयर प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग रेशियो. बट there are no profit sharing ratio in the given in the question, then we will distribute the loss equalization. Okay, 21,000 हम पार्टनर्स को क्या करेंगे? डेबिट, बिकॉज लॉस. पार्टनर्स, इफ पार्टनर्स विल डेबिट देन फर्म विल क्रेडिट. ओके, देन लॉस distributed on adjustment in equal ratio. 3 partners, 21,000, 3 sevens are 21. Then 7,000 say A's account debit, B account also debit with 7,000 and C's account will also debit with 7,000 and 21,000 say total credit firm. Partners debit, firm credit. Equal firm की total करो 21,000 equal. Okay, then we will make the total of the partners capital account. A's debit 7,000, A's credit 8,000. B's debit 7,000, B's credit 4. C's debit 7,000 and C's credit 9,000. Difference 7,000 debit and 8,000 in credit of A's capital account. Then bigger 1,000 से ज़्यादा क्या हो रही है credit. So 1,000 credit. B's 7,000 debit and 4,000 credit. So bigger amount 7,000 यानी कि debit difference is 3,000 debit 3,000. C's account 7,000 debit and 9,000 credit. Difference is 2,000. 2,000 which side? Credit side. So 2,000 credit. Upon these base we will make journal entry. This is the working total. Okay, and final question is this journal entry. So who will debit? 3,000 debit. कौन? B's capital. So B's capital account debit 3,000 to A credit and C credit. To A's capital and to C's capital. A's capital with 1,000 and C's 2,000. 3,000 debit, 3,000 credit. Question is complete. By passing single journal entry, we will correct the all omissions. Okay, this is the question of past adjustment and this is the question of number your 10. Okay, thank you very much.